I just put the key.
Now are you guys ready for your briefing? Can I hear you? Are you guys ready? Good. Now welcome to the Earth Space Defense Center. New recruits, our mission begins with this. The recover AI sphere, a mysterious alien artificial intelligence. Through analysis of this object and other captive technology from alien invasion of 2016, the ESD team has made critical advancement in human-alien hybrid technologies. The development of Star Tower's wormhole generator allows research and defense team to travel at faster than light speeds to anywhere in the galaxy. The Flying Command Center can transport research and defense team virtually anywhere to explore the mysteries of the universe, to detect and investigate any alien threat, and, if necessary, coordinate a full-scale defense against an actual alien attack. It has also been newly equipped with alien hybrid force field generator, which make it virtually indestructible. Now, may I introduce the man behind this technological wonder, the Center Head of Research and Development and your pilot for today's mission, Max.
Hi, welcome to the ESD Research Center. Now, much of the technology you've seen today is based on what we've learned from the alien specimens kept at this facility. I get daily reports from our deep space surveillance network, which warns us of any suspect activity in the area. Hold on, recruits. I am getting an urgent signal near the rings of Saturn. I'll be right back.
Okay, Max, I'll take over. Sorry about that, recruits. What Max was about to show you is this. Now, the alarm, our alien friends here has been placed in a deep-induced coma and poses no danger. The ESD has been studying this living alien to help us understand our enemy from the inside out, to learn how he thinks and how he sees the world. Stay back, stay back! Max! Max! Max, will you come with us? Come in! Max! Hurry, hurry!
The signal from Saturn is agitating our alien friend. Administer a dose of anesthesia.
Copy that. Nothing to worry about now.
Okay. The signal, it's coming from an unidentified source near Titan, one of Saturn's moons. Now, based on the energy reading, it's a small, unmanned probe broadcasting a message that keeps repeating. Recruits, this is the perfect opportunity for you to experience firsthand what the Flying Command Center can really do. We need to get out there and fast to inspect and identify that signal. Report to the loading area. I'll meet you there. And welcome to the ESD Research and Technology Center.
You heard the man. Now go to your launch pad, recruits. Your mission start now. Let's go, let's go!
All recruits, please pay attention to the following safety instructions. As you board the spacecraft, please move to the end of your row before taking a seat. Secure any loose clothing or scarves and do not leave long hair exposed. Place all loose articles in the storage bags located under each seat. Please ensure that your restraints are properly fastened and secured. Sit back, put the belt through the center yellow strap, then buckle the belt. To release it, press the button on your left side. During flight operations, always remain seated upright. Please hold on to the armrest. This is it. Our mission is to go. To investigate, analyze, and possibly capture the alien. Don't worry. We have fighter escort, and should there be any trouble, remember, the Flying Command Center is virtually indestructible. Let's do this for the future.
Good news, recruits! Looks like you're taking the Wormhole Express after all. I'm transmitting coordinates to the Star Towers for our mission to Titan. We are good to go. Recruits, this is the main underground hangar of the ESD. Just a small part of our growing fleet here at the command center in Kuala Lumpur.
Mission to Titan, proceed to launch pad. You're on deck with Wolfman.
You are about to see our next-gen hybrid fighter prototype 2, fully armed and ready to come to our defense. Say hello to our squad leader, Wolfman.
Don't worry, recruits. We got your back. We will rendezvous with our fighter escort topside.
Thanks, Wolfman. We are ready for you to guide us through the wormhole generator.
Follow me.
Roger.
Watch that space test. Proceed on course 227 to Star Tower. Mission to Titan. Good luck.
All in, pilot.
What a view! Recruits, have you ever seen Kuala Lumpur like this before? Coordinates to Titan are locked and loaded.
All systems are go. Prepare for launch.
Engage wormhole generator.
Wormhole generator at full power.
Okay, prepare for jump to hyperspeed. Welcome to Saturn, folks. What the? That's no probe.
Shields up.
Force field generator activated. Wait a second, I'm detecting no signs of life. I think it's abandoned.
Let's take a look.
After you.
Okay. Attack formation. Everybody stay alert. We're going in.
We're inside a destroyer-class attachment, but the power core's been shut down. No wonder we couldn't read its energy signal from Earth. Wait, those are bioluminescent life forms. My scan should have picked them up.
What's your scan? Jam.
That makes no sense. It's a trap!
Watch the tail, Bravo.
Got multiple targets.
Watch these six. Let the chatter and take your target. We got clutch control the black.
Watch that front fire.
Let's get out of here. I'm taking this, so hold on.
Lay down some cover fire. Where are you, Max? You flew into a hornet's nest. Max, where are you?
We're okay for the moment. Strike that. I got one right in front of me. Wolfman, our shields are being kept, firing up his weapons.
Coming back. I'll keep Bug Boy occupied, but you, get out of here.
We'll never make it. We've got to reach the central core and destroy it.
Wow.
I can identify the target, but only you have the tech to take it out.
A hybrid torpedo.
Affirmative. That should solve the problem.
Let's move.
Central core, dead ahead.
Powering up.
Let's see Wolfman light it up.
Torpedo away.
Wolfman! There's our exit.
save the planet. Congratulations, recruits. Today is your Independence Day.
Can proceed to the exit on your right side. Can proceed to the exit on your right side. Don't forget your bag. Don't forget your bag. Exit on your right side.
لأن كنا ناقصين كنا في الطابق الأول والثاني.